Alright pemirsa, we back again. Pasti juga kita balik lagi nih di UB Talk Show. Dan di sesi pertama tadi, nah kita juga sudah berbincang-bincang ya tadi dengan Dito dan juga Satria. Ya pasti juga ini salah satu peserta dari teman-teman dari prajurit TNI Kodam Iskandar Muda dalam program belajar bahasa Inggris dasar di lingkungan TNI Angkatan Darat Kodam Iskandar Muda. Nah itu yang juga mengenal kursus intensif bahasa Inggris atau juga KIBI ya. Yeah. Nah dan pastinya juga ini pemirsa ya, mungkin buat pemirsa di rumah nih, buat masyarakat semuanya, ternyata di program yang satu ini itu juga selain tadi juga sudah saya jelaskan juga. Nah itu juga mereka menitik beratkan ya, ini pentingnya pengetahuan keterampilan bahasa yang tentunya juga ini untuk diterapkan dalam pelaksanaan tugas mereka ya. Nah sebagai TNI Angkatan Darat yaitu mendamping atau juga menjadi escort untuk tamu asing, penerjemah naskah sederhana, serta ini untuk menjadi edisi atau juga ajudan tamu asing yang ada di satuan jajaran Kodam Iskandar Muda. Nah, jadi emang hasilnya emang luar biasa sekali, dan pasti juga bisa mereka juga bakal mempunyai skill ya untuk diri sendiri, untuk karir mereka ke depannya. Oke, now we back with the different guests. Nah, pasti juga ini ada dua teman saya juga ini dari prajurit TNI Kodam Iskandar Muda. Yang pertama ada, your name? You can tell us your name maybe?
It's me. Let me introduce myself.
Okay.
My name is Haris Iwadinata.
Okay.
My nickname Iwa.
Iwa.
Yes.
Okay.
Rank is second sergeant. I'm from Battalion Infantry 114. 14. Satria Nusantara in Takengon.
Takengon.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, all.
Yeah. The next one, Hengki Putra. Please, Hengki, you can introduce yourself.
Introduce myself. My name is Hengki Putra Wijaya. My rank is fourth sergeant.
Okay.
My unit is Battalion Infantry 111 Fatmawati in Kuala Simpang.
Okay, so you guys in different area yeah, for this program, and you in Banda Aceh together for this program in Banda Aceh. All right. Yeah, okay, maybe we can start with, sorry, your nickname again? Iwa?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, Iwa. So during in this program in KIBI, maybe you have the favorite subject along the class, maybe which one do you have as your favorite? You have any your favorite subject? Okay, maybe you can share with us.
Yes. Actually, I like all.
Okay.
But if I need, I will need speaking.
Okay.
Why? Because I think speaking isn't very easier, and I can be practiced without having to use formula.
All right. Yeah.
And then, I just speak.
Yeah. This is the speaking lesson is one of your favorite. I mean, your most. The most one you like it, yeah. Okay, that's very good, yeah, because as your reason, because in the real life we always have to deal and use the speaking skill, yeah, to talk with the people or okay. Besides writing and also reading. Okay, very good. So so how about this program? Do you really excited to learn English? I mean, since when you like English? Maybe before you join with the army or soldier, do you like English since when?
Really, I'm very excited to learn English.
English, yeah.
Because English is an international language, you know. And I think this program is fantastic.
Yeah,
learning English, connected with people globally, and I can access more information.
Oh yeah, okay.
And then I enjoy new culture.
Yeah, culture. Yeah, very good.
I think that's all.
Yeah. Okay, because if we be able to read or speaking with English, and there's more information that we get,
Yeah.
than before we don't know at all about English. Okay, that's very good motivation. Okay, so Henki, so how do you think about this program? Is it improving your English skill than before? So what do you think about after you in this program, Kibi program?
Okay. This program improve
Yeah.
my English skills. Okay. Skills by giving me regular practice
Okay.
in speaking,
Speaking,
listening,
right?
and grammar. And the teacher helped me understand better.
Yeah.
So I feel I speaking, listener, and grammar. The teacher helped me. So I feel like
Very confident about the English.
yes.
Yeah, because I also amazed, yeah, because this program is just 16 week, 2 months, right? 2 months or how much? I forgot. Berapa lama program ini? 16 weeks, right?
Me? Yeah, wait.
16 weeks.
Yeah, sorry, I forget.
Yeah, but your English is really very good. I think it's congratulations the tutor, yeah, from the English division. Yes, I can see your clearly pronunciation. It's like it's not. Yeah, you are in the average of the skill in English. That's very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, because I can understand clearly what do you mean, and also your grammar is very good. And I think this program is really fantastic. Congratulations to Kodam Iskandar Muda. Yeah. Okay, so next question, maybe I want to ask with Henki also. Why do you think English is really very important nowadays? That's why you have be able and willing to learn English. Why do you think this is? I mean, the English is very important nowadays and for the future.
Okay. Learning English is very important
Yeah.
today because it use all over the world.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
The world. Knowing English can help me get a better job.
Yeah.
Okay? Understand more information and communicate with people globally.
Yeah, certain. Okay, so maybe for the additional information that I want, this is my own curious, ya, rasa penasaran sendiri nih. Okay, maybe while you guys being a soldier or TNI, so did you ever meet with the foreigner or maybe orang asing to practice your English before or after you got the lesson from this program? Pernah ngomong sama orang luar gitu? Yeah.
We have.
Yeah. We have practice.
Yeah, practice.
Okay, so what do you think? Is nervous or?
Really, we are very nervous.
Of course.
We think our speak so bad.
Yeah.
You know, maybe we don't can speak with him.
Yeah, that's what we felt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, mungkin yang the first impression ya, we worried or they don't understand what our meaning gitu. Nah, tapi it's okay, itu juga will improve day by day. Yeah, because the English is about practice. Yeah, learning English is about practice. If we never practice, as like speaking to our friend or reading or speaking to ourselves, maybe in the mirror, I think that's very good improving to us. Yeah, that's because it's like language. Ini seperti it's not about English seperti kita belajar bahasa daerah Papua atau bahasa lainnya. Jadi kalau kita tidak pernah ngobrol ya kaku dan ya kita mengerti. Ya kebanyakan orang sih most of the people is only understand what the people said in English, but they have very difficult to point out to speak about what the people asking. Ya itu juga pentingnya kita juga harus practice. Okay, so about this program, maybe ini juga untuk the additional information untuk masyarakat. So you guys Nah ini mungkin satu pertanyaan sebelum kita di segmen ini. Nah itu juga ini tugasnya di region-region atau juga di daerah-daerah kabupaten atau yang berbeda ya, tapi memang kumpulnya di sini ya. Okay, so maybe if you can answer in the English, what is the best experience, pengalaman yang seru gitu, during you in this program sama mengikuti ini?
Maybe
Ketemu teman-teman baru atau juga you already know each other? No, of course, right? Okay, that's good. Okay, we continue.
maybe I have in Barak. Yes.
Yeah.
In my dormitory.
Mm-hmm.
And there is every day we speak
That's good.
In morning.
Mm-hmm.
And when we want to go to bedroom.
Mm-hmm. You speak good.
We always speak English.
Okay.
No problem if we don't know how we speak.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
But just show must go on. Yeah, you have. Okay, just speak. Yeah, very good. Yeah, this is very good, really interesting. So the last one, how about Henki? Do you have any experience yang paling seru during you are in this QB program? So,
Maybe is
Matai, right?
yes, Matai
okay.
with friends,
Mm-hmm.
funny,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
and that's all.
Okay, yeah, really good. Yeah, because you have a new experience, new friend, and of course the most important is new vocabulary every day, right? Because you guys have to speak, and this is like required. Yeah, harus. Yeah, it's like speak in English. Okay, thank you so much for your sharing. One again. Okay, Iwa and Henki. So really amazed, and also I know they are really excited to learn more about the English in the future. Okay, we'll be right back for the last session, of course, with me Armian Nasi on UB Talk Show, and also with all the shoulder TNI Kodam Iskandar Muda. We'll be right back.
Program kursus intensif bahasa Inggris KIBI yang diselenggarakan di Ringdam Iskandar Muda setiap tahun ini memang menjadi salah satu upaya penting dalam meningkatkan kualitas sumber daya manusia di lingkungan TNI AD, khususnya di Kodam Iskandar Muda. Dalam kursus yang berlangsung selama sekitar 16 minggu ini, puluhan prajurit terlihat sangat antusias dan bersemangat untuk mengikuti setiap sesi pembelajaran. Kemampuan bahasa Inggris saat ini memang diperlukan guna mendukung kelancaran komunikasi internasional, terutama di lingkungan yang semakin global. Dalam konteks militer, seperti di Kodam Iskandar Muda, penguasaan bahasa Inggris menjadi semakin penting untuk menunjang tugas di operasi multinasional.